Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so I was thinking about it, and I think the easiest way to review your Bellwork and kind of go over all the important stuff that happens in Romeo and Juliet is to kind of look at a timeline, because I wanted you to tell me what you remembered, and considering we haven't even thought about this for a week, you probably don't remember every important thing, so I'm going to go over it for you. That being said, we are going to start off on Sunday morning, so early Sunday morning is when we have our fight scene. We also meet Romeo, and we find out that he's in love with Rosaline. So then we have Sunday kind of afternoon. That's when Romeo and Benvolio get invited to the Capulet feast. So if you remember, poor illiterate Peter accidentally invites them. He doesn't know that they're Montagues. So then we've got Sunday evening is when the party is, and Romeo and Juliet meet. Then we have late Sunday night. That's when Romeo and Juliet agree to marry. That's when they have that famous balcony scene, and Juliet's like, we're forever the Romeo. So basically, why do you have to be Romeo? Why do you have to be a Montague? Why couldn't you be somebody else? So then we've got Monday morning. Romeo sets up the wedding with Friar Lawrence. You remember, Friar Lawrence isn't so excited about Romeo being in love again. He kind of scolds Romeo because Romeo has been honest with Friar Lawrence, so Friar Lawrence knows that Romeo was in love with Rosaline at the beginning of this play. So notice how quickly this stuff is happening. But Friar Lawrence agrees to marry Romeo and Juliet because he thinks it's going to stop the fighting. So Romeo and Juliet get married. That is kind of Monday around noon. Now Monday afternoon, so only like 2 hours after they get married, Romeo and Tybalt fight. Well, first, you've got Mercutio dies. Romeo and Tybalt fight, and Romeo is banished. So that all happens, remember, only like 2 hours after they get married, so it's honestly pretty tragic. Then, after Mercutio dies, Romeo and Tybalt fight, and Romeo is banished. If you remember, Romeo's hiding out in Friar Lawrence's cell. The nurse shows up, and basically they go to make sure the marriage is legally binding. So Romeo spends the night with Juliet. Which means Tuesday morning is when, very early in the morning, is when Juliet fights with her parents about Paris. So if you remember, her parents come in and are like, oh, by the way, Thursday you're going to get married to Paris. And Juliet's like, no, I'm not. And it kind of blows up from there. So then we've got Tuesday. So she fights with her parents, and she's like, you know what? I'm going to go to Friar Lawrence's. And he's either going to have a plan or I'm going to kill myself. So this is when Tuesday morning is when Juliet goes to see Friar Lawrence to see if he has a plan. So it is all happening. I'm trying to fix this. Pretty quickly, guys. So as you can kind of see, we're only Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We're only 3 days into this play. And remember, Juliet's supposed to be married on Thursday, so we probably don't have too much longer because whatever is going to happen is going to happen before Thursday or Friday. So this is kind of all the important stuff that has happened. Hopefully this kind of helped, like, refreshing everything for you. Please, when you have finished kind of watching this video, go watch the video that reviews the assignment from yesterday. Thank you so much. See you guys later.